Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS rule and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 18, B is 12, C is 16 and D is 14. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. Basically, these are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number two is basically you have to see the power of any number or exponent part. If your expression contains any power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is basically you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. So step number four, you have to go left to right in your expression and one by one solve each operation. And which is coming first, you have to solve that part first. Either it is coming subtraction first, so you have to solve the subtraction first. And either is coming addition, so you have to solve the addition first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve this B, which is bracket. So we do not have any bracket here, so we can skip this step now. Now, rule number two is basically you have to solve the exponent or power of any number. So we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip this step as well. Step number three is basically you have to see division and multiplication. So what we can do here, step number three, first of all, we have to go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So first we will go, this is not division and multiplication. This one we have the division. So first we have the here division. So we will solve this one first. So 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 2. And multiply by 7, we will write as it is, even we will write minus 10. And here I am giving the reference like we divided 10 divided by 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. Now move forward again, we have to go left to right. And again, we have to see the multiplication and division. So here we have the multiplication. So now we will go 40 minus 2 multiplied by 7 equals to 14 minus 10, right? And now again, I'm giving the reference here, 2 multiplied by 7 equals to 14. Now, we do not, again, we have to go left to right and see the division and multiplication. So now we do not have any, you can say the multiplication and division. So now we will see the addition and subtraction. So here we have the subtraction. So what we will do here, 40 minus 14, which is equals to 26 minus 10. We will write minus 10. And here I will give the reference 40 minus 10 equals to 26. Now move forward, we have two terms here which are subtracting each other. So the answer of the given expression is 1/6. So if you see the answer list, we get the answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah.